Hello guys, Best Review for You team is back again with another review on ClickBank Profit System. Firstly, we will look at short recap on ClickBank Profit System. Then 30-day money back guarantee program. Also, about 200 spots. And the exclusive bonuses that I am going to offer you. Click the buy now button below to upgrade now. ClickBank Profit System value $2,867. 3 premium giveaway bonuses value $12,243. 30-day money back guarantee value $1,000. Get results or get paid $200 value $200. Total value $15,976. Normal price $199. Today, save $150. Got only $49 a month. Today, you get it for free $1. You're 100% risk-free with our 30-day money-back guarantee. We want you to purchase with confidence and want you to have peace of mind. So we're giving you a full 30 days to try this out, which means you have a month to make as much money with this as you want. If it doesn't make you money, we'll simply send you your money back. It's that simple. The 200 spots are going fast, hurry. Don't be part of the group that end up paying monthly. If you're reading this right now, that means you can still get it at the one-time price, so hurry. Once the first 200 people have jumped in, we'll change the offer to a monthly fee for everyone else. The first 200 will be locked in at a one-time price with lifetime update and no monthly fees ever. So grab this right now to start getting result for your effort, so you can change your life, hurry. Unlock no limits now. Usually $97, today only one time $6.99. Click here to add this to your order now. Lastly, these are the bonuses that I have to offer you. These are worth more than $4,000 that I am giving you for free. The only condition is that you have to purchase the product through the link given below in the description, and after the purchase send an email with a screenshot of your purchase on our email, which you will find in description below. Have look at the bonuses. These are not the 1 or 2 bonuses or 3 simple bonus, but in total I am offering you 21 bonuses. This definitely will help you if you are a content creator or an affiliate marketer, or even if you run a digital marketing agency. So here is the review from the Best Review for You team. If you liked the video, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to check the description below.